Your oil change indicator helps take the guesswork out of oil changes. When it's time to change the oil, you'll hear a chime and the oil change due message will appear briefly in the instrument cluster. The system is duty cycle based, so the oil change interval may fluctuate according to your driving style. Keep in mind though, until reset, the oil change message will continue to appear every time you turn on the ignition. For vehicles equipped with keyless enter and go, to reset the system after scheduled maintenance, shift into park and put the ignition into the on-run position. Don't start the engine. Then, fully press the accelerator pedal slowly 3 times within 10 seconds, then cycle the ignition off. If you still see the message when you start the vehicle, the system did not reset, and you'll need to repeat this procedure. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.